Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can use your Bluetooth earbud or neckband as a wireless mic in your mobile device. So first I am connecting my neckband without doing anything. For this tutorial, I am using Dolby sound recorder. You can use any sound recorder. At this time, it only catch my mobile device mic sound. So here I want to use my Neckband mic as a mic. So first open Play Store and search for BT Mono. Now install this app. After installation, simply open this app. Now after opening BT Mono app, turn on this feature. Okay, we are done. Now let's check either our Neckband mic is working or not. So let's open Dolby sound recorder, and now you can see here, now audio is catching from my Neckband mic. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.